All right, hello everybody. We are back with our mystery problem. Quinlan is helping us out again today, and we're going to talk about math. So we're going to be using Bobby today. Bobby, hey Bobby, how you doing, bud? Bobby is in a van. I'm going to draw my best van. And he has some family friends in his van. And his van is full, okay? It can hold 8 people. So here's Bobby, and there are 8 people in the van. He's taking them to the airport because they've had a very nice visit, and now they're going back to the airport, okay? So they get to the airport, and a lot of people get off. We don't know how many. But we know that there's only 2 people left in the van, and that's Bobby and his mom. So now the question is, 2 people. How many people got off at the airport? So I'm going to pause it. Before I pause it, I'm going to say the problem one more time. Okay? There are 8 people in the van. Bobby's taking his family to the airport, or his family friends. He's driving with his mom, okay? And they get to the airport, and a lot of people get off. It was a big family. And now there are only 2 people left. How many people got off at the airport? So Quinlan is we're gonna take a couple of minutes to work it out, and we'll be right back. So also I challenge you to use your cubes, because this is gonna really help you visualize how to break apart numbers and from groups of 10, okay? All right, I'd like you to pause the video now, and then we'll come back and share our strategies that we came up with. All right, so Quinlan is gonna share his strategy. All right, so we're gonna let Quinlan explain his thinking. Let's see if we can turn this thing here. All right, Quinlan.
First I had 8, then I broke off 2.
Wait, why did you break 2 off?
Since I knew there was 2 people left, and then I broke 2 off and then counted the rest of the guys. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left.
So 6 what left?
6 cubes left.
Right, 6 cubes, but thinking about what does a 6 represent in our problem?
How many taken away?
Yeah, it is taking away, but what are we talking about? Are we talking about French fries? Are we taking away French fries?
No, people.
People, that's right. We have to really try to connect our thinking to the story, right? Okay, so show us your number sentence. So you started with 8. Okay, great, thank you. Let's hold that up a little closer. We started with 8, and he said he knew that there were 2 left, right? So you took the 2 away, and he ended up with 6. He counted what's left. All right, wonderful, friends. I'd love to hear your strategies. Please share your strategies by sending in a video. We're gonna go on to part 2 now, okay? All right, so part 2 is listen to part 2, because you're gonna want to hear what you're gonna do next. So Bobby and his mom decide it's a beautiful day, and they're gonna go pre-pandemic, and they're gonna go to a park. Okay, now the park already has some kids playing in it. Here's Bobby. Okay, and when he gets there, he realizes, oh wow, there's a lot of kids here, and he counts them. And he counts that there are 12 kids in the park already. I'm just going to draw like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, there's 12 kids. And then he comes in. When he goes into the park, 5 other kids join him. So I'm just going to do 5 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other kids come to the park with him. So
How much kids are there?
Yeah, how many kids are there all together? I'll say it again. Started with 12 kids at the park.